It's an original GT40, but the car was basically unfinished in period. When Shelby was done with the GT40, there was a handful of leftover chassis, and this was one of them. So the body is not original. It was built in the 80s based off other cars, basically molding and body blocks off other cars, but the chassis is an original chassis, but with no actual like history of the body or anything. The car was raced in like vintage races and stuff in more recent times, mostly in Europe. I saw this car actually run at Goodwood a couple years ago, but it's basically a GT40 you don't have to worry about as much.